3, 2,
Streaming today at number 2, we have The Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. The story of Coriolanus Snow, years before he would turn into a leader of Panem.
I won't be around forever after all.
In which we choose 2 children from each district.
Coriolanus sees an opportunity for an adjustment of his fortunes when he is chosen to be a mentor for the 10th Hunger Games.
Girl, boy, Domitian's your dovecoat, Raven Estelle.
He is assigned to a young lady named Lucy Gray from District 12. Lucy Gray slips a snake into the clothing of the mayor's daughter.
Help her! Help her! Help her!
Coriolanus attempts to earn her trust by riding in the same car as the tributes, where he is dumped into the capital zoo.
Somebody help us!
Mr. Snow?
Is there a point to the color?
There's a rainbow of destruction engulfing the world.
Coriolanus is determined for Lucy Gray to win over the hearts of the viewers, as the mentor of the best performing tribute will be guaranteed fortune.
It's okay.
Let the games begin.
Boy.
A group of tributes come together to try to catch Lucy Gray. Lucy Gray and Jessup escape through a hole torn from the explosion, hiding in a service tunnel.
To the children watching, that was violent.
Lucy Gray tries to give Jessup some water, but he thinks she is trying to poison him.
Enjoy the show!
Coriolanus enters the arena to extract Sejanus, but they are attacked by a group of tributes.
Bobbin from District 8. Reaper.
What'd you do to me?
Jessup from District 12 starts to foam at the mouth. He thinks Lucy Gray tried to poison him. With donations, their mentors can send out supplies during the games.
His net, Mr. Snow.
A group of tributes try to attack Lucy Gray. Coriolanus gifts Lucy Gray with some rat poison to help her during the games. Lucy Gray comes out of her hiding spot, but there is a group of tributes standing around and notices her.
And so is Pop Harrington.
But Coriolanus has a plan to help Lucy Gray out without anyone knowing.
Experiment, but an instructive one.
Listen.
Lucy Gray finds a good hiding spot, but 2 tributes think they found her. Many tributes die in the initial chaos. Soon after, Coriolanus realizes Gaul is going to make changes to the game to speed it up. He secretly puts his father's handkerchief that has Lucy Gray's scent into the tank.
Down goes Wolby.
I'm begging you.
Lucy Gray has to sing to stay alive.
Running ground.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.